The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. Keep your mind as clear as the sky. Beauty of nature makes you brighter. Have an appreciating eye to enjoy the beauty of nature. Even if the night sky is full of twinkling stars, the beauty of the moon catches everyone's attention, leaving all those stars behind. Be like the moon, the brightest even when living in the crowd. Okay. Now we will discuss a new topic, bisectors. Children, see this triangle ABC. Here CD is perpendicular to AB. In the last class, we have seen that the sides and angles of triangle ADC and triangle BDC are the same, right? That is, AD is equal to BD. That is, the line CD bisect AB. Right. Again, angle ACD is equal to angle BCD. That is, the line CD bisect angle C also. Right? From this we get Now we will learn how to bisect a line and how to bisect an angle. Let us see how we construct. Let us do a problem. Draw a line 6.5 cm long and draw its perpendicular bisector. Here, first draw a line of length 6.5 cm. Mark the end points as A and B. Five centimeter. Take a compass and fix the point of A. And take measurement more than half of the line and draw two arcs on both sides of the line AB. Again, with the same measurement, keep the compass on point B and draw two arcs on both sides of the line AB. Here, these two arcs intersect each other. These points mark it as C and D. Join C and D. Here, the line AB was bisected. Let us do a problem. Draw a rectangle of side 3.75 centimeter. How will you draw a square? Using the method you learned earlier. Remember, you cannot draw a line of measurements 3.25 3.35, 3.75, etc. using a scale as it is difficult, right? For this, what we have to do is to take the double of the measurement. If one side of the square is 3.75, how will you draw a square? You have to take double of it, that is 7.5. Right? Now I am going to draw it. First, draw a line of length 7.5 centimeter. Mark the end points as A and B. Next, take a compass and fix the point on A and take measurement more than half of the line AB and draw two arcs on both sides of the line. Next, with the same measurement, keep the compass on point B and draw two arcs on both sides of the line AB. Here, these arcs intersect each other. Mark these intersected points as C and D. Here, join C and D. Mark this intersected point as O. Here the line AB was bisected, that is 3.75, 3.75. Next, using a compass and take measurement of the bisected line. that is 3.75 centimeter, and draw an arc from the intersected point with the same measurement. Draw another arc from the intersected point. Next, draw another arc from the point B. Here, these two arcs intersect at one point. Mark it as, this point is here and this intersected point is E. Next, join B and F. Next, join E and F. Now, we get a square OBFE. Clear, children? Let us do a problem. Draw an angle of measure 75 degree and draw its bisector. First, just draw a line. Take a protractor and measure 75 degree and draw the angle of 75 degree. Degree. Mark it as A, B, C. Next, we are going to draw its bisector with the compass placed on the point B and draw two arcs on the line BA and BC. Next, keep the compass on intersected point on the line BA and draw an arc inside the angle. Again, keep the compass on intersected point on the line BC and draw an arc inside the angle. The same measurement. These two arcs intersect each other. This intersected point, mark it as D. join B and D. Now the angle ABC is bisected. Clear children? Let us do another problem. Draw a circle of radius 2.25 centimeter. Using scale, you cannot draw 2.25, right? So you have to take it double, that is 4.5. 2.25 double 4.5. Here we want to draw a circle of radius 2.25. For that, first draw a line of length 4.5. Next, take a compass and keep the point on A and take measurement more than half of the line and draw two arcs on both sides of the line, that is AB. Next, keep the compass on point B and draw two arcs on both sides of the line AB. These arcs intersect each other. These points mark it as C and D. Join C and D. Mark this intersected point as O. Here AB was bisected. Take a compass and take measurement on the bisected line, that is 2.25. Here 4.5 centimeters bisected, 2.25. Keep the compass on the bisected point O and draw the circle. Now we got a circle of radius 2.25 centimeter. Clear children? Let us do another problem. Draw triangle ABC in which AB equals 6 centimeter, angle A equal 22.5 degree and angle B equal 67.5 degree. A, B, C. AB is 6 centimeter. Angle A is 22 and half degree. And angle B is 67 and half degree. Right? Here, first draw a line of length 6 centimeter. Mark the endpoints as A and B. Next, angle A is 22 and half degree. Here, using protractor, we cannot draw an angle 22 and half degree, 47 and half degree, 37 and half degree, etc. So, you have to take double of it. That is, here 22 and half double is 5, 4. So here 22 half double is 45 degree. Next 67 and half degree. Its double is 67.5 plus 67.5 10 5 30. 135 degree. Okay. So here keep the protractor on A and mark the angle 45 degree. And draw an angle 45 degree. Next, here angle A is 22 and half degree. So, 45 angle half is 22 and half. So, draw this angle bisector. Okay. So, take a compass. And keep the tip of the compass on point A. And draw two arcs on these two lines as per your measurement. Okay. Next, keep the tip of the compass on this intersected point. And draw an arc inside the angle as per your measurement. With the same measurement, keep the tip of the compass on this intersected point and draw an arc inside the angle. These two arcs intersect at one point. Join this intersected point and this point A. Here angle 45 is bisected. So this angle is 22.5 degree. Okay. Next, angle B is 67.5 degree. So its double is 135 degree. So keep the protractor on B. And mark the measure 135 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 135. And draw an angle of 135 degree. This angle is 135. Here angle B is 67.5 degree. So here draw this angle bisector. So keep the compass on angle B and draw two arcs on these two lines, this line and this line as per your measurement. Okay, keep the compass on point B and draw two arcs on these two lines as per your measurement. Again, keep the compass on this intersected point and draw an arc inside this angle as per your measurement. Next, with the same measurement, keep the compass on this intersected point and draw an arc inside this angle. Here, these two arcs intersect each other. Join this intersected point and B. This line extended. Here angle B is bisected, that is this angle is 67.5 degree, right? Here these bisected lines intersected at one point. This point is marked as C. Okay. Now we get a triangle ABC. AB is 6 32.5 degree and angle B is 67.5 degree. Okay, clear children? I hope all of you understood this session. Practice these problems at home. I will give 2 homework questions, page number 31, question number 13 and 14. Okay, thank you.